Hello friends, this is Syed and welcome back to the Tech Hunter channel. Today I'm going to show you a hidden feature in Chrome browser that most people don't know about. But once you turn it on, your browsing experience will completely change. Trust me, after using this, you'll definitely come back and tell me how amazing it is. So, let's get started. The feature is called Include Surrounding Text in Google Searches. Now you might be wondering, what does it actually do? Don't worry, I'll show you step by step. First, open your Chrome browser, tap on the three dots, top right corner, go to Settings. Now find and tap on Google Services. Scroll down and you'll see Touch to Search. Include surrounding text in Google Searches. Turn on both of these options. That's it. Setup is complete. Now let's see the magic. Go back and search anything. For example, FIFA World Cup. You'll see a list of results. Now imagine, while reading, you find a word like FIFA. Just tap and hold, select the word. Instantly, you'll see a search option at the bottom. Tap on it and boom. You'll directly get search results about FIFA. No need to open a new tab, type again. Search manually, everything happens instantly. Another example. Suppose you select Kingdoms. Again, the search option appears instantly. Tap it and you get full details right away. So basically, you don't need extra tabs anymore. No need to type repeatedly. Faster and smarter browsing experience. This small setting can completely change how you search. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment, and tell me how you liked this feature. Share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.